Hi, I'm Jennie. Today, I will show you really simple menu. This menu is good for when you are really hungry. So if you don't have enough time to cook, but you want nice food, that time you try this one. Okay? Today, I will use these dumplings. I bought this 2-pack. This is BOGO. Buy one, get one. And I prepare dumplings. And just you need this green onion and some seasonings. I think you have this one already. Okay, first cut this pack. These dumplings for good fried. This is gun mandu. Gun mandu is dumplings for fry. So the shape is easy to fry. If you are really hungry, enough dumpling. And here, and then the heat, turn on the heat, and this cooking oil. Enough cooking oil. Because we first fry these dumplings. You fry dumplings just when the dumplings color is a little bit brown, nice brown. You fried both sides. Okay, and then I will make sauce. Because when the dumplings are fried well, and I will use some seasonings and braise these dumplings with a hot sauce. So now I'll make a hot sauce. There's a chili powder, 2 spoonfuls of chili powder, and minced garlic, a spoon. And this is sugar. And also 1 spoon. And this is a soy sauce. Okay. And here, if you don't have this beef bone sauce, if you don't have it, just to use water. This beef bone soup. A cup. And mix it. And if you like a little bit spicy one, and you put some chili, it's okay. Okay, just leave it here. You see, like this. Like this. When you fry dumplings well, outside of dumplings are crispy. And inside are moist. That we call in Korea, 겉바 속 촉. We say like that. The outside is 바삭, crispy, and inside 속 is moist, 촉. That is we call moist. Okay, you see, the dumplings are really well fried like this. Okay. Now, okay. Now this time, this sauce. You pour this sauce. And here you cut these green onions, chop. And if you have any kind of the vegetables in your refrigerator, and then you use it and boil together. Okay. And here, you put this green onion on top of dumplings. And here, you use the lid and little bit boil. 1 or 2 more minutes, but not too long, because we fried the dumplings just before, but if you boil too long time, the dumplings outside of the taste of crispy is gone. So just 1 or 2 minutes. And after that, because this step is just for inside of dumplings. Dumplings are inside a little bit frozen. So you boil 1 more minute and then it will nice. Okay? And then after that, you this sesame seeds. Okay. This is ready, I think. It's very simple. So you can eat these dumplings with rice or drink alcohol drinks as you like. So try it. Okay, have a nice your meal and take care all of you and see you next time. Bye!